Nice day, man.
Very nice day. How are you?
We are here at Volcano Bay. If you are not staying in a hotel here and you're taking regular public transportation or driving or anything like that, you have to take a secondary bus to the actual park. If anything, that's the most negative thing that I could see on the actual parking and getting there and transportation is that there's an extra step to get to this park. But let's go in and check it out because the park is great.
I bus you from the bottom of the parking lot over to the entrance. This is the entrance here. You have to go through this tunnel after you get off the bus before you get into the park. They have it pretty themed. Try to entertain you on the way in. Almost like we're in Hawaii.
I love it. They have the music going. Crowds are coming in. We're going to go into the entrance. Check it out now.
Let's go. Do 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 do. He sings and talks.
When you arrive at Volcano Bay, you'll get a TapuTapu, which is kind of a timer telling you when you can get your fast pass. You go up, put it up to the ride you want to go on. It will give you a return time, so you don't have to sit in the sun for that longer period of time. So it's all scheduling. So here's where it. Use it, but make sure you return it because it does have a navigation on it and they will track you down.
So here we are, folks. Welcome to Volcano Bay. This is the premier water park in Orlando at Universal Studios. This is their third park here so far.
We just got inside Volcano Bay. You could go right or left. We say go left. We're going to show you a special place where you can put your things and feel real comfortable. It's not too crowded. So today it seems to be a lot of people here today. Let's go left. No, that's the shade ice.
We are here today at Volcano Bay and we're going to do the Lazy River versus the Rough River Challenge. This is the Kopikiwai, this is the Lazy River. You float around nice and easy on the river as opposed to the next one where you move you really rapidly. So we're going to compare the two and show you which one is the best today.
So we're here on the Lazy River. It's not quite lazy, it's got a pretty good current and I'm just floating on by. The difference between the winding Lazy River and the other river, which I don't remember the name of it, is that this one is quite slow comparatively. The other one's much rougher, and you must wear a life vest.
So my opinion is the Lazy River is pretty lazy. There are some streams, you get caught in some water features, but you kind of just sit back in the tube and chill and go around. Now let's go do the next one. This ride, you don't even have to carry your tube to the top. They put it on a conveyor belt, you pick it up on the top, and you end up down here on the bottom.
After you tapu-tapu into your ride that you choose, you can go on the Rapid River and you can wait out the time. Our time is 3 hours. So this is a great way to pass the time. It's my favorite ride in the park, so come and join us. My favorite thing is put my legs down and they go on surfing.
Well, we did say rapid river. You move pretty quick. You're moving quick. When they say the exit is coming, you must move to the right or you will miss it.
We're going to go into the Dancing Dragons and get some specialty drinks and share them with you and tell you how they are, give you some prices, and give you some tips. See you there. I don't think we can get anything here with this, but I'm going to try to get it too. We stopped to get a drink, and I got the toasted coconut. He got the rye watermelon. So it must be their version of the pina colada. It's pretty. It comes with a glass that you can get refills, $3 cheaper. So let's check it out. Strong. It's really, really good. It has 2 shots of toasted coconut rum with pineapple and watermelon and Tito's vodka. I don't know what else is in that one. Don't forget to bring your Volcano Bay refill for your Slurpees or your sodas. It's only $4 or $5 to do a refill. To buy it, it's like $13. So let's keep drinking. Tell you how it goes.
I got the rye watermelon. It is a vodka and watermelon and cherry drink. A little sweet, but strong again. They put a lot of vodka. This is a double shot.
So Cabana Bay has early access and walk-in. You do not have to take the boat if you're staying at Cabana Bay. So here they also have private cabanas, 1 story or 2. The ones down on the bottom start at $500 a day, depending upon what day of the year. If you have a group of people, it's not bad. It definitely seems like the way to go. This is the little boardwalk that you get to walk out. Oh, they're gonna do the ritual. So that's our time today at Volcano Bay. Thanks for joining us on this journey.
Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it with your friends. I'd like to talk to you.